Nashra just in line of the stumps, just the ball going just a little bit away from the batter, missing the line completely. And as always, Sidra Nawaz, brilliant behind the stumps. And the credit goes to both. Oh, brilliant lines there, completely missing the line of the ball.
That was such a good delivery.
But Danish, is that a bit too late?
Let's hope not. Just 2 deliveries left, 4 runs required.
What they have to do is bowl within the line, because they're going to hit. They don't have a choice for the singles. Either she's going to take a single and give a chance to that tall lady.
Can Nashra bowl 2 more deliveries like the last one? That was a peach of a delivery. Can they take the second one? They're going for the second
This
one. We
match
have
is
a
going to be
draw.
tied
Yeah.
down. Oh, we have a tie. Pakistan bring back the match, and it's a tie. Oh, it's going to be a super over now,
Oh my
Danish.
God.
What better could it be asked for? Pakistan versus the Windies women. Such is the excitement of women's cricket as we bring the Windies batting card there. Henry and Fletcher down in part of all that drama. Campbell, the pick of the batters, with 43 and Knight with 32. Without a doubt.
Well, getting into the final over, the super over, you can't stop but favoring the Windies, because they have the hard-hitting batsmen. They have the batswoman who can hit the ball hard.
Yeah, without a doubt, the bowler should be Sana Mir. The amount of experience she has.
I'm sure you all are eager for the super over as well. However, we will be taking a short break. We'll come back with live action from Southend Cricket Club and the super over. Pakistan level the series here. Dutton on the crease here for the Windies.
Knight and Nation, as Doughton will face, and as expected, the best choice available, Sana Mir, to bowl the boundary riders, because you see there's no deep cover, there's a deep extra cover, there's a long off, long on, and even mid-wicket is very straight.
Wrong delivery there, keeping in mind there is no one at deep mid-wicket or square leg. That's a wrong line for Sana. Oh, hit and hit hard. It's gone into the stands. What a majestic hit that was. A bad delivery again by Sana, looping that ball. Another hot strike by Doughton. Gets another maximum. Doughton absolutely proving ruthless here. And exactly why I thought Anna Momin should have bowled the last one, because she was getting that drift and turning the ball away as well, cramping the batsman for room. However, it's too late for that now.
Windies 16 from the super over. She heaves it across to mid-wicket. Alia running in hard. Can they stop the second? Well, it's going to be an easy 2 in the end there, where Windies setting a total for Pakistan for 19 runs from the super over.
And Alia would have to keep all those tricks and skills that Solomon has under his sleeve.
We obviously can't match the power that the Windies women have, but to play through the line, and rather than just heaving it across anywhere.
Extra cover in place. Long on, long off. A deep mid-wicket. Lots of open spaces there. Can Alia do it for Pakistan? Bowled him. That was a straight delivery. Not too much pace on it. And Alia was all over it. Missed the line of the ball completely. Did not even have a connection on the ball. Again, going towards the leg side. Should have gone straight, even though there was a long on and a long off there. Trust her strength.
And Danish, a lot to be desired there regarding the approach or the thinking that the batters walk out with for the girls in green. Very disappointing and a very disappointed looking Pakistan camp there. For all the right reasons. I mean, they had a wonderful game. They had a winning opportunity requiring 3 from 1, an unfortunate tie, and the Windies have swung the match completely into their favor.
Aruj, this is exactly where experience comes in. This is exactly where maturity comes in, which you develop by playing more and more cricket against good sides, stronger sides on your own home turf, and these girls will learn from this experience as well.
Iram Javed, the number 3, to face Salman now.
Shot! A cracking stroke there by Iram. Will just get 1 for it.
Again, just the 2 balls show the difference when you keep your body structure and a body posture straight and you hit through the line. Alia, unfortunately, just trying to hoik it across and above mid-wicket across the line. And all Salman did was bowl straight within the stumps.
Oh, that was hit hard! Can it go all the way? No, it doesn't. And it's caught by Dottin at long on, and Pakistan lose the match in the super over by 17 runs.
Well, it's all over there for the girls in green as West Indies women win the series, the 3-match T20I series between the Windies women and Pakistan. And as we see the match summary there, the Windies women win in the super over. And the summary of the match, Pakistan scoring 132 for 4, Windies 132 for 6, with Campbell 43, the top scorer from the Windies side. But Dottin was the star of the show for the super over.
The Windies take the match in the super over, and with it, the series 2-0. The last T20 was played on Sunday, and the 3rd of February, and that would be a match for Pakistan to save whatever is left in the series. We will be taking a break here, and we'll be right back shortly with the presentation ceremony.
Player of the match trophy to Charmaine Campbell for her 41 runs.